In English, we might say, have a seat, please. Well, in sign language, we'd go like this. Okay, let's talk about how to sign sit, please. Here is the sign for sit. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and the hand shapes are the letter U. Yes, both hands. How do you make a U? Well, start like this. Last two fingers, we're going to put them down. Put the index finger and the middle finger together. The thumb in front on top of the ring finger. Right, so we have a U. If you're signing it all by itself, it's just U. Okay, so that's going to be the same for both hands. Now I'm right-handed, so my non-dominant hand, for me, my left hand, I'm going to put it down here like it's a bench or something. I'm going to take the other U and I'm going to put it over top like they're the legs, and I'm going to have them curved down. So we have sit. Nice and visual. Sit. From the side. Sit. Other side. From the front again, sit. Okay. Here is the sign for please. Use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're going to close up the fingers. Now you can leave the thumb tight against the side. You can let it hang out there. That's up to you. Take your hand, put it on your chest lightly, and we're going to do a couple circles. Please. You can even just do one circle. That's fine. Please. From the side. Other side, please. From the front. Okay, so we learned the signs. Now let's put them together. Nice and slow. Sign with me. Here we go. Sit, please. Sit, please. Sign with me. Okay, now in this situation, and in the English, we were like, have a seat, please. It's respectful, it's nice. So have a nice, respectful look on your face, a friendly facial expression. All right, you might even want to indicate where the chair is or where you want them to sit specifically. Right, you're kind of indicating the chair or the seat or wherever you want them to go. Okay, now if this is more of a situation where in English we're like, sit down, sit down, then we get rid of the please and just go, all right? We don't have to go you, because in that context, in that situation, the person is quite sure that we're talking to them. Sit down, right? So in sign language, just go sit, sit. Put it on your face. Facial expressions are very important. Okay, so in this situation that we were talking about in this lesson, nice, relaxed, respectful, maybe it's a customer, maybe it's a nice friend, someone you want to have a good relationship with. Okay, so we just talked about how to sign, have a seat, please. In American Sign Language, sit, please. Okay.